Alright. Yeah. Watch out now. Watch out, look at that. What did you see? Whoa, I'm never gonna have enough money to pay my way into that. What a cash you got. You got everything. And a man could want. Oh yes. Everything that man could want. And a man could want. Look at me. The council house, no one. But I'm happy as I am. The council house, no one. No nobody. No one. I'm going nowhere. What does that mean? Yeah. I'm looking out all over. An easy fix. I'm looking out all over. And I had no luck at all. I got nowhere. I know some bad people. Yes, I do. I know some good ones too. Oh, yes, I do. I'm going so fast. When you're young, you do. When you're young, you do, you know. I'm going somewhere. Where's it gonna be? Oh, never could say. Cause it's all a dream. As she finished the meal, I'm sat on the wall. I'm sat on the wall. Should I walk on up? I think I got no chance. I got no chance. Chances of get to know her a little better. I delude myself every time. I think it's the 6th time I've been here, and she never will stop. Never even glance at me. She's my hot baby. Got all these dreams. Make a business with her. I got no hope at all. Where I live, I tell you what I got. I got a boozy junkie town. Ain't much different. Well, I've been in jail. I've been in about 4 times now. Sometimes it can make you feel better. It makes you feel better than looking at that ass, crunching up. That's why I got my rich man's dream. Shouldn't tie in the Mercedes-Benz. Never gonna come true. I know it never will. Never will, never will, no, no, no. No. One day I'm gonna get my goods together. Gonna buy something from a witch doctor. I'm gonna comb my hair. I'm gonna walk right over when she pulls. What's the name I'm gonna ask? Right now, I don't have no money for a packet of Marlboro.